Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Joy Food channel. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I prepare the best and the tastiest ghanawaakye or rice and peas. So if you are interested, let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use red peas. So it's called cowpeas, and I am going to use 2 cups and half. So the whole packet is 500 grams, but of course in the traditional way they use black-eyed beans. Now I'm going to add enough water to wash the beans, but I'm going to do it off camera. You can decide to do it after you've left it overnight, but you might lose some skin, so it's better to do it before. Okay, next I'm going to discard the water and fill it up with enough water again and leave it overnight. So guys, this is my beans here overnight, and you see that it has changed and it is ready to be cooked. I am going to use my sorghum leaves for the red color, and I have about 7 to 8 strands. And I am going to use 3 cups of rice, and I am using basmati, but you can use any type you like jasmine rice. And then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil. I will also have some salt to taste, and this is Himalayan salt. But before that, I am going to wash my sorghum leaves or waakye leaves, and I'm going to take my time to do it because it is very dirty sometimes and you do not always know where it comes from. Okay, so now it is washed, and I'm going to place it in my cooking pot, and then I am going to add water. So I start up with hot water, but you can do it with cold if you prefer. But with hot water, look how the color is already coming out of it. So I'm going to add about 2 liters of water, but again it depends on how you like it. Okay, now that it's ready, I'm going to add in my beans, and look at this red color. I really like waakye with red beans because it also helps a lot with the color. You should try it, but if you want it the traditional black-eyed beans or black-eyed peas, please use it. But if you haven't tried this one, go ahead, you'll be amazed. All right, so beans are in the water. Now I am going to cover it and cook it. Okay, so this is it. So I'll be cooking it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, and this is it here after 25 minutes, and you can already see this nice color, guys. And I am going to add it half a teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, guys. And then I'm going to cover it up again and leave it for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I am going to check up on my beans, and the baking soda helps to bring out even more color, guys. So now take one of the beans and check if it's cooked. If the beans is ready, you can now remove the waakye leaves. Be careful because it is very hot. And by the way, you can let it cool down and put it in a zip bag and leave it in the freezer to reuse it next time. Okay, so next I am going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can decide to put it in the microwave to have it into a liquid form, or do it just like this and stir it. And of course this is optional, but with the coconut oil the waakye is just amazing, guys. So if you haven't tried it before, this is the time to do it. So now the coconut oil has melted, and I am going to add in my washed rice, and I'm going to repeat it. This is 3 cups of basmati rice, but use jasmine rice, brown rice, anyone you like. Okay, so now I am going to stir it, and then I am going to add my salt. Okay, For this rice, I'm just going to add about 1 tablespoon, but feel free to taste it, and you might want to add a bit more. You can also add some seasoning cubes. It's really up to you. Now I am going to cover it up and let it cook for a further 20 minutes, but after 10 minutes I am going to check up on my waakye, and guys, look at this beauty, look at this perfect color. And then I am going to give it a little stir. I am so amazed by this perfect waakye color, and it helps with these beans, guys. You really need to try it. And then I am going to cover it up with some foil. You can use some baking paper or parchment paper, and cover it up again and leave it to cook for the remaining 10 minutes or until you are satisfied with your rice. Alright friends, so the 10 minutes are up, and I'm going to remove the foil and show you my beauty. So look at this perfect waakye. Where your friend say waakye pepebi color no ish. Yes, that's amazing, guys, and I really do hope you are also amazed by this perfect color. Alright dear friends, so this is the end of my recipe. This is the perfect Ghana waakye recipe, so rice and beans, and I hope you're going to try it. Well, it is time to eat, guys. Waakye is here ready. My spaghetti or talia is also here ready, and of course my tasty waakye stew. So guys, thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.